About this item, energy saving: the auto power off function will switch to off when the table vacuum cleaner does not work for 15 minutes, which ensures a high endurance from just one charge. High capacity lithium-ion battery provides up to 400 minutes of continuous cleaning time. Just charge for 2 to 3 hours. 1600 mAh battery with wireless charger features a powerful 1600 mAh built-in rechargeable battery. With the inbuilt battery, you can move and use it everywhere, and our dust sweeper can be charged by car charger, mobile adapter, power bank, computer, etc. Compatible with iPhone 11, 11s Pro Max /XS Max /XR /XS/X/8 /8 Plus, Galaxy Note 10 /Note 10 Plus /S10 /S10 Plus /S10e. Precise cleaning and long-lasting material capture nozzle picks up larger debris with ease, unlike other manual vacuum cleaner. You can easily cleaning dust of desktop, computer, keyboard, etc. It's absolutely a perfect choice to clean hair and dust in different places that are hard to reach, thanks to its